What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, the Bully Scientist, and I am back. So today we are going to be going to a dog show in Visalia, California. I think that's actually headed up north in Northern California. But I'm on my way right now. I'm actually leaving the house, and I'm gonna see you guys when I get there, or I might stop and talk to you guys a little bit more. But stay tuned, guys. So what's going on, guys? We're here at this taco truck right now. My little boy right here, look. So I'm gonna get my food and I'm gonna let you guys see what I get right now. Sorry, I'm out this one. Let me get out this guy's way real quick. He's still camera shy, but I'm gonna get him out that camera shy face. But we stopped right here at this taco truck because we actually ate here before. It's really good. I'm gonna show you guys what we get. So you guys stay tuned because I know you guys ain't gonna want to miss this. All right, guys, look. This is the first little thing that we got. We got a little corn, and for my Mexican people, they call this an elote right here. So they gave me some lemon. I'll put some lime. Huh?
You call that too.
What do I call it? Get in the shot, Pop. I got my son. He wants to be in the shot for this one. Lemon on it, damn.
Dude, that's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna let him take a bite first. Go ahead, take a bite. Come on. Come on, snag it too.
It's at 65.
Is it busting? Is it busting? Alright, it's alright.
It's busting.
I'll give it a try.
My teeth can never. It's kind of sour.
That's busting right there.
My teeth.
But I'm gonna see you guys when my food gets here. Alright, guys, we got our food already. I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So this is my food right here. This is 2 carne asada tacos, and I got some, what are these called, babe?
Molitas.
These are called molitas de birria. And what did Joshy get?
Pastor tacos.
He got 2 pastor tacos. What did you get?
I got some shrimp, ceviche, and some pastor tacos.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys. We're gonna show you guys if it's what?
Busted or disgusting?
I don't know, what's that YouTuber you watch? What's his name that says that? Well, he doesn't know, but we're gonna see if this is real good or not. So I'm gonna give mine a try real quick.
The corn was bomb, so I think that the
Mine
food
is so good.
You said the what?
My shrimp is so good.
The corn is bomb, and for sure I think this is gonna be bomb. And she said that it's bomb.
That's bomb? Well, we're gonna see if mine's good.
Okay, who wants to go first?
I'll go first. They didn't give me no salsa for mine?
Bruh.
Oh, no, but that's for the green ones, huh? So I got my tacos right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the salsa up in there. Oh. Okay. Put the lime up in there.
Forgot the limon. My lime commitment.
Let's see what they talking about.
Busted or disgusting?
Okay. It's pretty good right here. It's fire.
Okay, let me try mine.
Let me try yours. Put the salsa on yours. Some.
Okay, let me see what you're talking about. This plate. Bro! Move!
Hey, you're dropping everything. Is that good? Huh? So, is it bussin'? Huh? Yeah? Yeah, mom over there. He ain't playing around. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna kill these tacos, and I'm gonna show you guys what are they called again? Mulitas. I'm gonna show you guys my mulitas. See if they're good or not.
A taco done. Very good.
We're gonna try it right here. Look. So all this basically. So this is basically like a quesadilla with birria in it. We're gonna go ahead and give it a try.
Good.
This is bomb.
My tacos are bomb.
Get a little bit of a bite of this jalapeno.
I'm done.
All done?
Look at all the napkins I used.
Yeah.
Take a bite of this. It gives it that extra crunch. I don't really have a flavor to it. These are bomb right here, guys.
I think I died.
You guys got any like birria place around? They most likely got these right here. Mulitas. Oh, I remembered it that time. Mulitas. I'm gonna dip it in some well, not dip, but I'm gonna pour some salsa on it real quick.
You guys better get some. I haven't tried it yet, but it sounds like it's good.
Try it, Pop.
Okay. I don't want to.
Careful, it's hot.
This is the melting in my tongue.
I don't know. This kid be watching too much YouTube stuff. All right, guys, we just made it to the show. Well, we're not inside yet, but I'm on my way up in there. We had to park around the corner because you know how it is in these shows. It'd be packed. See, there's a guy. Look, he got some pig over there. It's the pig. Look, Pop. There's a little fly. Huh?
No, it's a pig. Yeah.
It's a pig.
Chunky.
But I'm gonna see you guys when I get inside that show. Actually,
I know.
I think it's gonna be mainly exotics, but I'm hoping to get some footage of some clean pockets. There's one pocket right there. It's a nice one. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I get inside. All right, guys, we made it inside. They got some pretty cool dogs in here. Seen there's one right now. I'm waiting on my little family right here. But there won't be much of me talking because, you know, they got a lot of music playing right now and I don't want to get, you know, for copyright. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, that's gonna be it, man. They had a nice little setup in there. They had cool dogs in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and push home. It's getting kind of late, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. It's the Bully Scientist. I'm out. Peace.